Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you the global version, the original, brand new top, selling best mechanical keyboards review product on AliExpress, with discount price. Check discount price and buy from description below link. Product number 1, Redragon K621. Introducing the Redragon K621 Horus TKL wireless RGB low profile mechanical keyboard. The perfect solution for all your gaming needs. This keyboard features 3 different modes for a wide range of gaming situations, from fast-paced FPS to strategic games. It also has 80% ultra-thin Bluetooth red switches for fast, responsive keys. With its low-profile design, it also looks great with any setup. Introducing the Redragon K621 Horus TKL wireless RGB low-profile mechanical keyboard, a professional-grade gaming keyboard that's designed for comfort and precision. This keyboard is equipped with 3 different modes that can easily be switched between, including Bluetooth, wired and ultra-thin. The switches are the red switches, which are the latest in mechanical technology, allowing for an incredibly comfortable and smooth gaming experience. With its low-profile design, the Redragon K621 Horus TKL wireless RGB low-profile. Product number 2, Keychron K2 A V2. The Keychron K2 A V2 Bluetooth wireless mechanical keyboard is an advanced laptop keyboard that offers a wide range of features. This keyboard utilizes Keychron K Pro switches and white LED backlighting to ensure users can see the keys they are using in low light settings. Additionally, this keyboard is compatible with both Mac and Windows operating systems, making it a great choice for users who switch between the two. Finally, the wireless feature allows users to move around without having to worry about being tied to a single spot. The Keychron K2 A V2 Bluetooth wireless mechanical keyboard is designed for those looking for a quality, durable and dependable keyboard for their everyday use. This type of keyboard is designed to work with both Mac and Windows systems, making it highly versatile. The Keychron K Pro switches provide a surprisingly responsive key press, and the white LED backlighting is a great addition for those who often find themselves typing in dimly lit areas. The 84-key design provides plenty of keys for all types of applications, making it great for gaming, as well as. Product number 3, OEM Profile PBT. The OEM Profile PBT Keycaps 108 keys pudding keycap are the perfect addition to any Cherry MX switch mechanical keyboard. Not only do these keycaps look great and provide a unique touch to your keyboard, but they also provide a comfortable typing experience. With the pudding keycaps, you can easily identify the different keys on your keyboard and their placement, allowing for easier typing. Not only that, but these keycaps are also lit up with RGB backlighting for an enhanced gaming experience. OEM Profile PBT Keycaps 108 keys pudding keycap with Cherry MX switch mechanical keyboard kit are the optimal choice for gamers looking to customize the look and feel of their gaming setup. Not only do these PBT keycaps contain vibrant visuals, but also offer a comfortable typing experience. Featuring double-shot injection molded keycaps with an opaque top and vivid RGB backlighting, these keyboard kits are designed to provide a superior. Product number 4, Transparent Keycaps. The 132 keys transparent keycaps for gaming mechanical keyboard is perfect for a gamer seeking an efficient and exciting gaming experience. Featuring OEM Profile ABS clear keycap, an RGB backlit game keyboard, and Keycaps D. This keyboard is sure to provide an unparalleled experience that no other gaming keyboard can provide. Whatever the user's gaming style, this keyboard promises to provide a level of customization that can create the perfect gaming setup. This keyboard is sure to be the perfect addition to any gaming setup, providing both customizable features and the highest level of performance. The 132 keys transparent keycaps for gaming mechanical keyboard is designed to give gamers an edge when competing in the virtual world. This keyboard features a unique OEM profile with ABS clear keycaps and RGB backlight. These keycaps are perfect for those who want to customize their gaming experience and create their own unique look. This keyboard also includes a D kit. Product number 5, Redragon K617 Fizz. The Redragon K617 Fizz is a gaming keyboard designed for both comfort and portability. It has 61 compact keys with a linear red switch that fits easily into a bag, making it perfect for gamers who are always on the go. This keyboard is also equipped with RGB lighting effects and 8 multimedia keys, giving it a futuristic look that will enhance your gaming setup. Additionally, it features a 5-foot-long braided cable to ensure your keyboard is always connected. The Redragon K617 Fizz 60% wired RGB gaming keyboard is the perfect gaming keyboard for on-the-go gamers. Its ultra-compact 61 keys provide all the essential functions needed for gaming, without taking up too much space. This keyboard is also equipped with linear red switches for a smooth and tactile response. The RGB lighting further adds to the gaming experience, allowing gamers to customize the keyboard according to their preference. Disclaimer: these choices may be out of date. All of these products may not be in stores. We don't know when this will be back in stock. You need to go Top Best Mechanical Keyboards Review 2023 review link to see the most recent updates to the list. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.